Beauty comes from health. Eureka's Herb Packs. What is Animal Ayurveda? Animal Ayurveda is a product that was researched and developed for pets based on the principle of Ayurveda. Gentle and safe for pets, Ayurveda simultaneously emphasizes health and beauty. The 100% natural herb packs are the first ever Ayurveda products for pet skincare and beauty care. Depending on the state of your pet's skin and hair, herbs in paste form are coated along your pet's entire body. Here are the effects of Animal Ayurveda. Even after a shampoo, odors and stickiness are still a concern. This is caused by sebum soil and old keratin that has built up on the skin. The peeling effects of the herb powder make the sebum soil rise to the top, after which they are thoroughly eliminated, maintaining clean skin for a long time. The herbs give moisture to the skin, prevent dryness, and keep the skin healthy. Prolong your pet's beauty after a salon visit. When using an herb pack, the ingredients of the herbs thoroughly coat each strand of your pet's hair. This results in supple and voluminous hair, while giving volume to hair. The pack prevents static electricity, tangling of the hair, and hairballs, and also prolongs a salon cut and styling. By brushing your pet's hair lightly, the silkiness and lie of your pet's coat right after a shampoo is revived. Particularness about raw materials: 100% natural. The raw materials of herb packs are 100% natural herbs that are certified by certification agencies throughout the world, starting with EcoCert. From among herbs that were naturally farmed without using any synthetic chemical materials or insecticides, only those that can be used by pets with peace of mind are used. Safety that even veterinarians recommend. The safety of herb packs is endorsed by veterinarians. Herb packs that keep the skin and hair clean and healthy are also used at animal hospitals as part of their skincare routine. For details on herb packs, ask your salon staff. Pets are an important family member. They are our partners. We choose herb packs because we want our pets to stay cute and healthy. Take advantage of this opportunity to use our herb packs. Because they are important family members, we choose materials that are kind to the body. Eureka!